Myron told me I had to do this, so I'm doing this. These are parts of the brackets that we're building for our solar panels for the roof. So Myron and Becky got this aluminum, and Myron has cut it down and drilled it, and I am just filing off all the burrs and sharp edges, because this stuff goes up on our roof and we don't want to cut our roof. So it's a breezy day outside, so I'm doing this in the house. These are just the small pieces, or a bunch of long pieces that I have to do next. But just making them all smooth. Now I'm doing the longer ones. All part of our homemade brackets.
And one of the reasons we like these, because a lot of people install their solar panels with those brackets that are just like...
That just go in the corners,
They're
right?
just like that long. They're not very long.
These run all the way across
and look how many. And we put a lot of holes in our roof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's borders on the ridiculous, but so do we.
Hey, we have had them up on our roof in some pretty heavy winds with brackets like this, and they have been perfectly fine. Knock on wood.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
New solar panels as part of the solar install. We got 200-watt panels going up, 4 of them, in addition to the 2 that are already up there. So we are increasing a lot, and we built our own brackets for the panels, which what we're doing right now is drilling holes, getting ready to drill holes into the panels to match the brackets that go on the roof that hold the panels.
Insulation. There
it
look
is.
at that perfection.
There it is.
And that's what's going to hold your
Panels
down.
Ready?
Ready.
Got it?
Got it. Swing past the vent there.
All right.
All right, I got it.
You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
One down, 3 to go. That wasn't too difficult.
One of the things that we did was we did all our own battery cables. We started from scratch, just like we did with the panels and the brackets. We got 1/0 gauge cabling. We created all our own battery cables. We crimped the ends of them, thanks to Myron. I keep saying we, but Myron's the one that crimped everything. When it came time to disconnect the lead acid batteries, it was like, woo, it's happening. It's really happening. So we had to remove everything, and we had to remove the batteries. We had to remove the existing MPPT charge controller that we were using. We got the batteries out of the old battery compartment, which I have changed into a poop hose compartment now. We've gotten rid of all those. That's what it looked like on the inside. And we cleaned it all up, got up to the roof, and we got new cabling to go from the panels on the roof, the existing panels and the new panels, all the way down to the batteries. So everything is fresh and new up on top and in our bay. So here's where we were pulling the wires from the roof down into our basement. Myron was up on top feeding wires, and I was pulling them down from the roof.
Oh, okay.
All right, I got it. Up on the roof, we in our junction box, we've got new bus bars, of course, all the new cables that went in. And it took a few days to get all of this completed. It was a pretty big job. But once completed, it sure was nice. And then, of course, we've got a new charge controller, a couple of them actually. And you'll see this is our power wall. We stuck with the same inverter. We have a 1500 watt inverter, and we feel that that's enough for us at this point. If we need to increase that in the future, we have options to do that. So after almost 6 full years of using 4 golf cart batteries, 6 volts, lead acid, that gave us a whopping 200 amp hours in the beginning, which I'm sure it was down to like 125 at the end because the batteries are kind of weak. So we went from that to this LiTime 100 amp hour lithium batteries. We have 4 to replace our 4 lead acid batteries. Special thanks to LiTime for providing 2 of these 4. We purchased 2. So now we have a total of 400 amp hours. All new solar equipment was installed, all new wiring was installed. We spent the last few weeks doing this. We put more solar panels up on the roof. But thanks to LiTime, man, we're living high on the hog right now. The power we have, it lasts and lasts and lasts. You can't go wrong. If you haven't seen the videos from Will Prowse, the DIY Solar with Will Prowse, or even Hobotech, plus you might want to check out Bob at Next Exit, just passing through. He's done reviews on these batteries. We're not the type of people to do the reviews and tear them down and test them and show you all the efficiencies. We're the type of people that are going to have those people do all that for us. We take their word for it, and then we install and we give you real life living day to day in an RV with LiTime lithium batteries. One of the nice things about these LiTime batteries, the lithium, maintenance free, totally sealed batteries. This way, what we had to do with our lead acid batteries, it was a pain in the arse. It really was. And we had it on our Google calendars, so every month at the first of the month, it would give us a reminder that we needed to go check the water levels, the fluid levels in each of our batteries. Was it that big of a deal? Nah, you get used to doing it, but this is going to make life so much easier with maintenance-free lithium batteries from Lithium. So that's pretty much it for our solar upgrade and our lithium battery upgrade and install. Thanks to Lithium. We appreciate them for providing us 2 of the batteries, and again, we purchased the other 2 to give us 4 and 400 usable amp hours, which we are elated about. And it's going to be interesting to see how our life evolves now from scrimping and turn those lights out and don't use that today, it's cloudy, to what we're going to become accustomed to, hopefully. We'll see. Hey, thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell, get notified when we put up a new video. We do all kinds of videos here. Most of it is about our day-to-day RV life, living on the road. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it.